friends, Elise here, global pro artist here at Too Faced. I'm a woman that needs and expects a lot out of my concealer. I love full coverage, but I don't want something that's gonna look dry, and of course, it needs to last all day. Our brand new Born This Way Super Coverage is the ultimate full coverage multitasker, and the best part is, she's completely weightless on the skin. Let me show you how you can use Born This Way Super Coverage to conceal and highlight, contour, and retouch that beautiful face of yours. Prep the skin with Hangover Primer, starting in the middle of the face and working out and down. Next, use Born This Way foundation and the Kabuki to apply evenly to the face. If you're doing your makeup for a special occasion, make sure that you hit a little foundation on your ears as well. To highlight and conceal at the same time, apply Born This Way Super Coverage in the triangle of light under your eyes, forehead, down the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin, using a pressing motion with a sponge to evenly blend out any edges. Use a concealer 2 to 3 shades deeper than your natural skin tone to contour the forehead, under the cheekbones, sides of the nose, and jawline. Use a small amount of product because a little goes a long way. You can also use Super Coverage as a spot concealer to cover any blemishes without ever adding texture. Lock this look down by setting the under eyes and T-zone with Born This Way setting powder and a Mr. Right brush. Sweep across the forehead, down the nose and chin, then press and roll under the eyes for a smooth application. Finish this look off with sparkling Bellini on the apples of the cheeks and the Sweet Peach Lip Oil in Pure Peach on the lips. We see how hard you're working, queens, and you deserve a concealer that can keep up with you.